Welcome, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Now, over 1 trillion coins has been taken out of Terra Classic token. Now, the staking of Terra Classic have really increased, and now the staking have hit over 1 trillion coins of Terra Classic token. It's amazing to see that number increase. Remember, earlier it was just millions of coins that were being staked. I remember just a few months ago, just about 20 billion coins were being staked, and now we are recording about 1 trillion coins. Well, the truth is, so many people now believe that Terra Classic in the nearest future is going to massively increase in price, and that is why instead of selling off, even though when Terra Classic token is dropping, even when the burning of Terra Classic is not really hitting the level we think it will, but people still believe that Terra Classic is going to hit a massive increase, and that is why you can see a lot of people, instead of just keeping it, they decided to stake their coin in order to gain some profits. Okay, believe Terra Classic very soon the staking is going to hit about 2 trillion coins. Remember, Terra Classic have about 6 trillion coins in circulation, and by the time the staking will increase, by the time the burning will increase, we are going to experience an increase in price, an increase in staking, an increase on Terra Classic. In fact, the truth is, Binance founder is really helping Terra Classic. He just recently said that they still hold their Terra Classic, that they are not selling. Okay, that shows that they really believe that this coin is going to increase. This coin is going to pump, it's going to increase massively very soon. And I believe that yes, Terra Classic is going to increase. The staking have increased. People are staking. Every day we see staking increasing. People believe on Terra Classic, and I hope to see that keep growing every day by day. Before the end of this year, let's also watch and see where Terra Classic might be ending the year with. And I believe it's going to end the year in a positive way. And next year, 2023, I believe that Terra Classic is going to delete some zeros. Deleting just a zero is going to return us a good profit. So the staking have increased, and I hope to see Terra Classic burning also increase. Let the burning keep burning more in 2023 in order for us to see that these 6 trillion coins will be destroyed, and let's see what we have in the nearest future. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.